All right, what's up everybody? We got the 89 Ranger GT dropped off at the mechanic shop today. Go ahead and get them to do the tune-up on it. I did a video on this here a while back, kind of showed what the issue was with it, showed how it was idling rough. I talked about I bought the plug wires, spark plugs, fuel filter, valve cover gaskets, everything like that to go ahead and do a tune-up on it. I've had this truck for several years and really have never done anything to it, so we're going to go ahead and get that done. He should be able to get to that in a few days and get that back, and we'll see how that's going to work out. We're in Huntington, Tennessee. Reynolds Automotive Repair. Just picked up my Park Avenue. They had to put a water pump on it for me. Also cool too, if you see the sign over, it's a Pure station. You don't see too many Pure stations anymore, but anyway, we're going to get it going to get the tune-up done on it and see how everything pans out with it. Hopefully it'll run a lot better, a lot smoother and everything. But anyway guys, if you need any mechanic work done or anything, check these folks out. This is a local family-owned and operated mechanic shop, and those are the people we need to be supporting, especially right now. So get out and support your local businesses, local mechanic shops, everything from oil changes to I'm sure to whatever. He can do it. I've known the owner for a long time. He's a great guy, awesome mechanic, has years of experience working on cars and stuff. So again, Reynolds Automotive Repair, Huntington, Tennessee. We're going to get the tune-up done on the 89 GT. Hopefully we'll have it back maybe this week. Today's Tuesday. It's Tuesday the 25th of August, so maybe we'll get it back one day this week, maybe the first of next week. But when we get it back, we'll do another update video on it, and hopefully it should be running a lot smoother and a lot better. So and I think we're going to go ahead and drop off the when we pick this one up, we'll drop the 89 or the 88 Ranger off. It needs a brake line on it where the brake caliper is still trying to lock up on it. So we'll bring it, drop it off, pick this one up. Like I said, it'll be either later this week or maybe first of next week. But either way, we'll get an update video and show you guys how she's doing after the tune-up. You guys have a great evening.